and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Joe Kemp and I live in Greene County, Indiana. Today I am doing this introduction in my dining room because a lot of our house doesn't have the greatest lighting, but hey, we take what we can get, and so thankfully it is nice and sunny outside, so I do have some natural light in here, so at least we have that. And I'm really excited for this video because I've been trying to make it for probably about a month, and I finally got everything I need. So for the chocolate, I just used those little melting chips, and I just put this in here, and I found out that the best way to do the molds is to use a spoon and fill them out, and then put them in the, I just put mine in the fridge for several minutes and it got hard, and then I put another little layer on the sides there toward the top of the circle, because if you don't, then they're a little thin and they break easily. And don't think that I didn't mess up, because I threw quite a few back in and remelted them because I just didn't like how small they were, or like by the time I melted them down they were too small, or they were cracked in the edge or something. So I did not have perfection here. I just did the best I could, and it was the first time I ever made them, so I feel like it would go a lot better the next time, but you live and you learn.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Born is the King. Born is the King of Israel.
Okay, here I have my hot milk, and we're just gonna put this in there. There we go. And a couple more marshmallows here, because you can never have too many marshmallows.
In excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your helpless song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See him in the mangle lake, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I have to say, my husband, this just really surprised me, but I made the hot chocolate bomb for him and he loved it. He said, "This is really good." And he doesn't like hot chocolate. So if he says it's really good, then obviously it's good. But I think that has a lot to do with the real chocolate. I guess usually we've always just made it with the hot chocolate mix or, you know, cocoa powder or whatever. But I guess that's your tip for the future, is put real chocolate in your hot chocolate, because it definitely tastes a lot better. I agree. So, and another thing, you need a ton of marshmallows. And I wanted to use like the micro marshmallows, and I could have got them from a store around here, but I just had the mini marshmallows on hand right then, and so that's what I used. So I hope that, yeah, you guys could find some tips, or maybe you can try them. And even if you don't have molds or whatever, like, I'm sure that you could either get some, or you might have some friends that you could borrow one from. Anyway, if you are local to me and you would like to use my molds, just let me know and you probably can use them. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. That would really make my day. So thank you for your time, and let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. Also, just one more thing I don't want to forget to say, and that is, I think this would be something that would be really fun to make you know, with your family over the holidays. And you could even make the molds ahead of time, and just, you know, everybody could put in whatever they wanted to. I did put some cappuccino in some of them, so you could do, you know, hot chocolate, whatever, and you could add anything that you would like, and just make it specialized for each person. So there's a little idea for you to make with your family. Anyway, so I just want to tell you guys Merry Christmas. I hope you have a great weekend, and let's not forget what the real reason of Christmas is, and that is that our Savior came to this earth to be born as a child and to live on this earth and die for us. So let's remember the real reason of Christmas, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. See y'all next week. Bye.